Hello everyone, I'm Upasana Taneja. Welcome back to my channel. What do we have? We have this question today: 4 raised to power x plus 2 plus 4 raised to power x plus 5 is equal to 65, and we need to solve it for x. How will we proceed now? We know that this is 4 raised to power x plus 2, right? Now 4 raised to power x plus 5 can be written as x plus 2 plus 3, right? Why did I do that? A raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m times a raised to power n, right? And this is 65. Now this is 4 raised to power x plus 2, and this I will break it in two parts like m and n. It will become 4 raised to power x plus 2 times 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 65. Now why I'm doing that? Because I want to take common. Now I can see here that 4x to power x plus 2 is there in both terms. So we will take it common, and what are we left with? Here we are left with 1, and here we are left with 4 cube is equal to 65, right? 4 raised to power x plus 2. This is 1. What is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 is equal to 65, right? So here we have 4 raised to power x plus 2 multiply 1 plus 64 is 65, and right hand side is as well 65. Now dividing both sides with 65. What are we left with now? This is 1. So we are left with 4 raised to power x plus 2, and here it is 1. Okay. So in these types of questions, whatever you see the base is 4 here. This 1 can be written as 4 raised to power 0. Okay, try to make the base same so you can equate the powers now. What is x plus 2? X plus 2 is equal to 0, and x will be equal to minus 2, and we are done, right? So for more such videos, you can visit my channel. I have Maths Olympiad videos, I have conceptual questions, and I have short tricks as well. Visit my channel and do give your reviews. Thank you.